why. So that would be all for now, guys and girls. Thank you for watching. Thank you to each every one of you. Thank you to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. To the Lord for all the blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to each every one of you, okay? So guys, make some shout outs before we end this reviews.
Shout out to my
Other voice.
classmates. Shout out to my classmates, Black Age Nursing from Tanchuling College, and also Althea and Joe, my best friends, friends from senior high school, Roy, and also Ke and Aya, Pat. I hope you have a good year this year. Okay, that's all.
How about you? Shout
Shout out
out.
to my friends.
Louder voice.
Shout out to my friends and class
Mm.
at taga-pag-asa at taga-gugo.
Mm. How about you? Shout out.
Shout out dyan sa Proctos, San Roque, Legazpi. Sa mga aki ko dyan, dahil ko na pangaralan ta. Pwede man.
Sige.
Stephen,
Ibigyan ka rin.
tulo kong lalaking aki dyan. Si Steven, Sherwin, Spinya family, Carito, Carillo and his family. Sa Sorsogon. Dahil ko na-mention ka, boss, ang sa ko yung mga apo, tas siya muna.
Okay, sige. And the last but not the least, shout out.
To my mother, Fe, Bordeaux.
Sa kapatid ko, sa
Louder voice, please.
ito kasi ito sa Rawis. Yan si Luis, bagong mabalik. Kanyang pamilya. Meldy, asawa niya, at anak niya si Christy, si Denden, at si Wiley.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!